Welcome back to my channel, guys. So I had a very fun idea for a video. I actually just learned how to make orange chicken, and I figured, you know what, I love it so much, so why not try and make it at home instead of going to Panda, spending more money, you know, etc. So the only thing that you will need to make this is eggs, which I have here. We're going to go ahead and whisk it. Flour, black pepper to season your chicken, and orange sauce from Publix. It's only like $6. It's not that expensive. And then of course your chicken. Now the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna whisk the egg so that so we can dip the chicken in it, so that it holds the flour better. And we are going to fry the chicken. So I would say maybe give it like 6-7 seconds of whisking it so it's like running. Like this. Alright. Now you can take as many chicken breasts as you like. I'm going to go ahead and do 3 because I do want to have plenty for myself and my boyfriend. What you're going to do is you're going to cut these into tiny pieces, but not that tiny. Dip it in egg and then put it in flour like this, and then cut like larger pieces, so it's not that much work in the end. I would recommend to take it off because you don't want to be eating that. This chicken I bought from Trader Joe's, and I've never heard of Trader Joe's up until I moved to Georgia, so it's a really, really good store. When I first did it, when I first made orange chicken, I did the mistake of just going one by one to dip it into the egg. But it's just easier if you do it all at once and then just go one by one and put it in the flour. It has time to, like, I guess, marinate more, if that makes sense. Now I did use 2 eggs for 3 chicken breasts, so al tanteo y pal tanteo. Oh, and so now you will need a big plate such as this, so you can put the chicken once it's floured in there. So again, do that. Put it in the flour. Make sure it's completely covered because it has to be, the whole thing has to be fried. And if it's not floured, then I don't know, I've never tried it like that. Alright guys, so now is the fun part, my least favorite, but I'm going to be going in with some oil. Now, the amount that you want to put on there on the skillet is maybe around this much, just enough to cover, I would say, maybe half of the chicken. Okay, now here we have our floured chicken. Now, we will need to let the oil heat first before I put it in there. Now that the oil is kind of hot and it doesn't jump back at you, you can go ahead and put the chicken one by one in there. And we're just, right when it starts getting kind of like a goldish color, that's when we know we can go ahead and Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope if you end up making it, let me know, let me know how it goes. If you like it, if you don't, let me go ahead and try it, okay? Disclaimer, I did not make the white rice, but that's besides the point. Oh, hot. Delicioso. It's so good. There's just so much richness. I love it. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in the next one. Have a good week.